Meanwhile, another top Aam Aadmi Party leader has been taken behind bars by a central probe agency. Delhi Minister Amanatullah Khan has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case in the alleged Delhi Waqf Board scam. The top MLA was arrested after over 4-hour-long searches by the probe agency at his residence. The ED has sought his 10-day custody in a court, which has reserved its order.
The ED team officials are leaving here. You can also see Amanat in frame, who's talking to his staff members. Amanatullah Khan being taken up by the Enforcement Directorate, and Amanat is probably being put under arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. That's why he is being taken. There's a massive movement here where Amanatullah Khan is taken by the Enforcement Directorate after a high-level drama which happened at this location. You can see in the visuals, Amanatullah Khan is being taken. Amanat has been taken by the Enforcement Directorate inside this commotion which happened here, and after the searches which were carried out at this location, Enforcement Directorate officials are leaving from this location. The family members have also stated that there are a few printers also and a few gadgets which has been seized by the Enforcement Directorate. Let's go to the house where the family members have been there. Anyone, आप कुछ बात करेंगे? आप लोग पहले
नहीं बात करनी किसी से चलिए
उनकी बात करना चाहेंगे?
कोई नहीं
The family members are certainly not willing to talk as of now, but Enforcement Directorate team leaving from this location.
Now, the ED claims the Aam Aadmi Party leader acquired huge proceeds of crime in cash through illegal recruitment of staff at the Waqf Board and invested those to purchase immovable assets in the name of associates. Now, Amanatullah Khan is the latest Aam Aadmi Party leader under a central agency scanner, following the likes of the Chief Minister Kejriwal, the former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, the former Health Minister Satinder Jain, and Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh. Now, while the BJP claims the latest arrest shows corruption runs in the Aam Aadmi Party's veins, the ruling party in Delhi says that BJP is misusing central probe agencies.
फिर दोबारा चुनाव के ठीक पहले दिल्ली के अंदर आप दिल्ली का माहौल बिगाड़ने के लिए बीजेपी के हथियार के तौर पे इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं, तो मैं समझता हूं कि ईडी वालों को अपनी कार्रवाई पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट से बार बार तुम लोगों को लाड़ पड़ रही है, बावजूद इसके सिर्फ और सिर्फ मोदी के कठपुतली बन के रह गए हो, ये ठीक नहीं है। और पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी इस मामले में मोदी सरकार को बताना चाहती है कि तुम ये जो हथकंडे अपनाना चाहते हो अपनाओ। तुम्हारे सामने आम आदमी पार्टी किसी भी रूप से झुकेगी नहीं, लड़ती रही है, लड़ती रहेगी।
जब वो वक्फ बोर्ड के अध्यक्ष थे तो उन्होंने अवैध तरीके से लोगों को नौकरियों में भर्ती किया। उन्होंने वो पैसा जो वक्फ बोर्ड के लिए, जो समाज के जन कल्याण के लिए लेना था, उस पैसे का गमन करा, उस पैसे का मिसयूज करा। आम आदमी पार्टी की पुरानी आदत है कि वो प्रचार प्रसार और भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त हैं, लोगों के लिए कोई काम नहीं कर रहे, अपनी जेबें भरने पे ध्यान जरूर दे रहे हैं और त्राहिमाम कर लोगों को भ्रमित कर रहे हैं। अमानतुल्लाह खान जी की जवाबदेही बनती है। ये रेड आज जो उनके घर पर हुई है, उनके प्रेमिसेस हुई है, ये सिर्फ एक जायज लीगल स्टेप है।
And Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's aide Bibal Kumar, who was arrested for allegedly assaulting Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Maliwal, has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. The top court said since injuries to Maliwal were simple, there were no grounds for opposition to bail. The court also noted that he has completed 100 days in jail and that a charge sheet has been filed in the matter. At the same time, noting the influence of the accused, the top court has set stringent conditions for bail, which mandates that Bibal be given no post in the Chief Minister's office. In fact, Bibal has been barred from entering Kejriwal's residence as well. As for the Aam Aadmi Party, the court has directed its leaders and ministers to not make any public comments in the case.